With a view of the air traffic control tower, looks like there has been an emergency landing down on runway 2. On Aer Lingus, Airbus A320 had made an engine failure and now it was en route to Minorca, but it had to land at Dublin for emergency landing because of engine failure. And it almost stalled. Here we have the fire service. We have an ambulance. We have the boarding trucks and off-boarding trucks. We have the Aer Lingus boarding and off-boarding trucks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll do more videos. For all my other Aer Lingus videos, I would have an Aer Lingus ATR 72200 EI or EP, and I'll also have an Aer Lingus the Boeing 737 222. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.